Okay friends, now today's project is replacing the drive tires on the bandsaw wheels themselves. As I mentioned, I think in a previous video, we had a band break and it cut up the wheel on that side, or the tire I should say. So we need to replace them. We got the fancy Kevlar wrapped ones from TImberKing. They are blue. Pretty sweet. What are they? They are 5/8 inch by 59 inches. So, V-belts, beautiful. TImberKing recommends you replace them in pairs. So even though we just cut one, we're gonna replace both sides. And hopefully these last longer than the belts that came on. Tools you need for this: a couple of F clamps or C clamps. You'll get to a point working the belt on where it's nice to have those in place to hold it in place. That was redundant. Clamped onto the wheel to hold the belt in place. Either a sturdy flathead screwdriver or a pry bar. I have both. And I don't have them right now, but you know, gloves to take the blade off if your blade's still on. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, so you can even see how there's not enough tension. We're chewed up right here, and the blade or the belt's just hanging out. So let's see how much of that we can kind of walk off. Yeah. So I just took my pocket knife and cut that off. And maybe you can see that. A good old gouge out of there. So it's not terrible. There's a lot of material there, but we decided to replace them. Now the fun part. Uncoil your belt. Get it in that channel. See how far you can get it. So we're like there. I can't quite get it yet. So we'll take our clamp. Set one in place there. Move the, every time you make a little bit of progress, go ahead and move the clamp. Let's put the other one in here. There we go. One down. Takes a little bit of futzing and fiddling, moving your clamps closer and closer, and eventually you just pop in. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to start and give my cut a section of the tire that I'll try to get in there and pop that part out. I'm just gonna see if I can cut all the way through it. So I just put a clamp on here to hold it so that the wheel doesn't keep turning while I try to do this. All right. Now there might be a better, easier way to do that, and if you know it, please let me know, but that wasn't bad. So now we start the same process over again. Okay, so now that's in, but we had a little bit of a problem. The belt twisted on us, so now we have to try and get the screwdriver under there and just run it around so that it straightens the belt out. There we go. Belts are all changed. I can put the blade back on. Keep running. Until next time.